Okay, so I wanted to mention how you do comments within HTML. So again, all languages have different ways to do comments. This is how we specify comments in HTML. So we've got it's basically a bracket with an exclamation point and then two dashes, and then everything in here is basically just is the comment. So this isn't going to print to the page or anything. It's just there for the end user or the reader. Okay, let's look at a few other examples of this adding other types of content. So I wanted to show you how to link to videos and then also to other types of objects. So we're going to look at videos and maps. Okay, so this is an example of adding a video to a page. So if you have video stored in your local directory, you can link to it from that location. Another option is to link to a video that's stored on some type of video sharing service. So this is an example from YouTube. Now, this code is basically, so this code uses what's known as an iframe. You can think of an iframe as basically a tag that stores another website. So it's containing basically an interactive frame or another web object. So it's kind of like a website within a website in a way. Here we have some styles set up. So we're setting a width and a height, and then this is the link to the video. And there's some other settings here to define how it gets rendered. How you generally create these is you can just grab this code from YouTube. So if you go to YouTube, find a video you like, it can generate this code that you can dump in and use, right? And it automatically is going to have some default functionality. So if we play this here, we have full screen option. You can have you can open it up in YouTube, so on and so forth. Maps are also kind of similar in that you generally store them inside of a head, or sorry, not a head tag, inside of an iframe. So this is an example of a map object. This is from generated using ArcGIS Online. So anyway, this is the content here. So this was code that I got from ArcGIS Online, and we'll go into more detail with this later when we talk about web mapping and whatnot. The key point here is that this acts similar to a video in that you're basically embedding this object in an iframe. So you can see that iframe opens there, or sorry, opens here, closes here. This is the link to the page, and then we have set some settings on how it draws and whatnot. So this again is something that was created with ArcGIS Online. This is actually a map object as opposed to like a web app object. However, if you wanted to include like a web app, like something you made with like Instant App Builder, you could do that by also placing it in an iframe on a page.